Ready?
Ready to go. The panel was focused on the trends in the industry. Obviously, we've got some trends that are not comforting right now. Inflationary trends that are causing everyone in the broadcast space to kind of tighten their belts. I think more broadcasters are saying, let's not build because we have to make further investments when we build. There's a lot of interest about generative AI and machine learning and where we go with that. And one of the things that I talked about on the panel is that you can't just willy-nilly throw AI out there if you are a broadcast enterprise, because you really need to talk about exactly what it is that you need in terms of AI, and then try to put that into a seamless workflow. And latakoo has that end-to-end seamless workflow that will allow broadcasters to do that.